Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on your Canon TS5350. Now, with your printer on the home screen, it should be looking something like this. So we press OK to go into the menu, then we use the down arrow to take us to maintenance, press OK. Now you've got cleaning and deep cleaning. Deep cleaning uses more ink, but cleans deeper, removes more lines and bits like that from your prints. The top option, slightly less thorough, but uses less ink, so I'd recommend standard cleaning as a good first step. So we'll press OK to go in. OK again, and assuming you've got paper in there, your printer should start making noises like that. Now it'll take it just a minute, and as I say, your printer is pushing fresh ink into its print head to hopefully dislodge any coloured ink that's dried there, it's causing lines on your prints. And when it's done, you'll have this option here offering you if you want to do a Nozzle Check test page, which looks a little something like this. Breaks down the colours your printer's capable of using, lets you see if any further cleans or deeper cleans is needed. As you can see, we've got issues with the black here, which will need to be addressed. But just press OK if you want a Nozzle Check test page, if not, down and OK. If you wanted to manually print a Nozzle Check, there's the option in the maintenance menu as well. But that's about all there is to see here. I hope you found what you're looking for in this video. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.